Mr. Prime Minister and the CDF and so forth, and we will be
but this is our main trauma area, so like the executive officer mentioned, they come down the link, come through here, triage, treated appropriately, and then they go on to the next level of tertiary care. Operational health unit on board, comprising of about 40 personnel that comprises of surgeons, anaesthetists, more nurses, more medics. I'll take you through to the next area. With air surgeons and specialist people as well. So, yeah, great area. Once it's filled with our niche people, specialists, anaesthetists, and nurses, it works quite well.
So there's a lot of coordination that happens between here and the bridge, where the officer watch is controlling all the operations around the ship.
Coming out of the back of the ship as well to try and achieve the aviation effect day and night. We can do a lot of bird trapping, so the heavy loads that are taken underneath the helicopter.
And this thing control that. In terms of 230 metres, it's a phenomenal aspect.
Where do you want us to come up?
We have defence cooperation arrangements with the Australian Defence Force. And it's not only a defence cooperation program, but of course we have this strong relationship with Australia, and we have roles to play in the region, and of course in terms of global peace as well. Our contributions, both Fiji and Australia, to global peace has been consistent over the years, and of course we look forward to continued cooperation and contributing more towards the achievement of global peace. We have shared a lot over the years, and of course we have continued to do so, and the development of the Black Rock facility currently undertaken, and of course hopefully will be completed by December next year, is something that we are looking forward to, because it will enable us to make good use of the experience and the knowledge that we have gained over the years, and sharing this knowledge and experience to the region, and of course to our friends and partners who can also utilize it for the benefit of the communities that have conflicts and or face challenges in their own area. So we look forward to this strong cooperation and partnership to continue, so that we can contribute effectively to global peace.
For your attendance this morning, we've really enjoyed the visit. I think it's been great for both our countries, and of course we're coming to visit Fiji in late November, and we look forward to your hospitality when we do visit. And I have a small token of our appreciation here for you, a coin. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The last time I stood on the deck here was back in 2016, when I thanked the troops for assisting the Fijians in the aftermath of Cyclone Winston. And again, I want to thank you for continued relationship that we have had in the last decade or so. Our Vuvale relationship, I know will continue. But I have a couple of days with the Prime Minister Morrison in the next meeting up with him in the next couple of days. But I want to thank you, the defence, the Australian defence, for always being there for us, especially now with Black Rock, assisting Black Rock, and everything that you've done to assist the Fijians, especially in the aftermath of hurricanes and disasters. I know you're coming to Fiji in November. We look forward to you coming. And I know my delegation, who have never been on ship before, we look forward to you when you come in November. Thank you again, Commander, for this.
Thank you, sir.
Little token about appreciation. It's a $7 note. The only $7 note in the world.
Oh,
That's the Olympic team that won the gold medal. I'm sorry about that.
thank you very much, Prime Minister.